Exercise 1.5. Question number 1. Let u is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. A is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4. B is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8. C is equal to 3, 4, 5, 6. It is given. Now we have to find out A complement. First one, A complement. So common elements are 1, 2, 3, 4. So u minus A. So remove 1, 2, 3, 4. The rest of the elements are 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. It is A complement, that is u minus A. 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now B complement. Second one, B complement. 2, 4, 6, 8. 2, 4, 6, 8. Write down the rest of the elements. 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Third one, A union C complement. So for this, first of all find out A union C. A union C, it is 1, 2, 3, 4, union 2, 4, 6, 8. It is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 6, 8. Now A union C complement. Remove these elements from U. It is 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 5, 6, 7, 9. This is A union C complement. Now A union B complement. 4. A union B. First of all find out A union. This is A union B. 2, 4, 6, 8 are the elements of B. So here change. It is 4. Here also B. So in the same way, A union C complement can also be done. Now B minus C complement. 6. First of all find out B minus C. B minus C. So common elements are only 4. 4 and 6. 4 and 6 are common elements. So from B, remove 4, 6. Rest of the elements write down 2 and 8. It is B minus C. Now B minus C complement. So 2, 8. Here 2, 8 is common. Remove them. So it will be 1, 2, 2 is common. 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9. This is B minus C complement. Now question number 2. If U is equal to A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H, U is equal to A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. So A is equal to ABC. A is equal to A, B, C. B is equal to D, E, F, G. D, E, F, G. C is equal to first A is equal to ABC and second one is B is equal to D, E, F, G. So A complement is equal to, it will be D, E, F, G, H. D, E, F, G, H. Here B complement is equal to D, E, F, G is common, so B complement will be A, B, C, H. A, B, C, D, E, F, G, H. So this is B complement. Now question number 3. Question number 3. Taking the set of natural numbers as the universal set. Set of natural numbers, that is U is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and so on. This is the set of natural numbers. So write down the complements of the following sets. First one, x such that x is an even natural number. So complement will be x such that x is an odd natural number. X such that x is an odd natural number. Now second one, x such that x is an odd natural number, then the complement of this will be x such that x is an even natural number. X such that x is an even natural number. Third one, x such that x is a multiple of 3. X such that x is not a multiple of 3. X such that x belongs to n and x is not a multiple of 3. X is not a multiple of 3. Fourth one, x such that x is a prime number. So x such that x is composite number. So x such that x is a prime number. X such that x x such that x is a composite number now x such that x is a natural number divisible by 3 and 5 x such that x is a natural number not divisible by 3 and 5 fifth one x such that x is a positive integer x such that x is a positive integer which is not divisible by 3 and not divisible by 5. Now sixth one x such that x is a perfect square x such that x is not a perfect square x such that x belongs to n and x is not a perfect square and x is not a perfect square. Now seventh x such that x is a perfect cube x such that x belongs to n and x is not a perfect cube. Now x such that 2x plus 5 is equal to 9. So solve it. Question number 4. If u is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. U is equal to 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. A is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8. A is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8. B is equal to 2, 3, 5, 7. B is equal to 2, 3, 5, 7. Verify that A union B complement is equal to A complement intersection B complement. So for this, first of all, find out A union B. A union B is equal to 2, 4, 6, 8 union 2, 3, 5, 7. So it will be union. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Now complement of A union B. So U minus A union B. U minus A union B. So 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 is common. So complement of A union B will be 1, 9. Now find out A complement. Complement of A will be here 2, 4, 6, 8. So complement of A will be 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Now complement of B. B is 2, 3, 5, 7. 2, 3, 5, 7. So A complement will be 1, 4, 6, 8, 9. So A complement intersection B complement, it will be 1, 3, 5, 7, 9. Intersection 1, 4, 6, 8, 9. So it is equal to 1 and 9. 1 and 9. Therefore A union B complement is equal to A complement intersection B complement. Now second one, A intersection B complement equal to A complement union B complement. So first of all, find out A intersection B. So A intersection B 2, 4, 6, 8 intersection 2, 3, 5, 7. So 2 only 2 is common. Now complement of A is this. Complement of A, it is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 and B complement is equal to 1, 4, 6, 8, 9. So A complement intersection union B complement it is 1, 3, 5, 7, 9 union 1, 4, 6, 8, 9. So it will be equal to 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. Now A intersection B complement. A intersection B is 2 and U was 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So it will be 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So here in A intersection B complement it is 1, 3, 5, 7, 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9 and here also A complement union B complement is equal to 1, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. So in both of them, the elements are same. Therefore, complement A intersection B, complement is equal to A complement union B complement. So question number 5, draw appropriate Venn diagram for each of the following. A union B complement. A union B complement. So if we want to find out, draw the Venn diagram of A union B. A union B will be A is this, B is this is A, this is B, this is universal set. So A union B will be this. Now this is A union B. We have to find out A union B complement. So it will be A, B, this is A, this is set B. So A union B complement, it will be this portion. This is A union B complement. Similarly, A intersection B. A intersection B. This is A. This is B. A, B. Now, A intersection B is this. In A intersection B complement, except this portion, shade all rest of the portion. A intersection B complement, it will be A, B, shade rest of the portion. This is A intersection B complement. Now question number 6. Let U be the set of all triangles in the plane. If A is a set of all triangles with at least one angle different from 60 degree, what is A complement? So complement of A is the set of all equilateral triangles. Question number 6. Question number 6. A complement of A is the set of all equilateral triangles. Now, 7th question. First one, fill in the blanks to make each of the following a true statement. A union A complement. A union A complement, it is equal to universal set U. Second one, complement of phi intersection A. Phi complement intersection A, it is equal to A, because phi complement it is equal to U and U intersection A, it is equal to A. Now third one, A intersection A complement. A intersection A complement, it is equal to phi. And fourth one, U complement intersection A. U complement intersection A. U complement it is phi and phi complement it is phi intersection A. U complement is equal to phi, so phi intersection A is equal to phi. So phi complement is equal to U and U complement is equal to phi.